Welcome back to Best AI Updates. Today we are covering three major AI stories shaping creative tools, coding, and motion generation. First up, RunwayML partners with Adobe to bring advanced AI models directly into creative workflows. RunwayML founder Cristobal Valenzuela shared that this partnership focuses on giving creators faster and more intuitive ways to generate video, images, and effects. The goal is to let artists stay inside tools they already use, while AI handles complex generation tasks in the background. This move signals a deeper shift where AI is no longer a separate app, but a built-in creative collaborator. For designers, filmmakers, and content creators, this could mean shorter production cycles and more room for experimentation. Adobe continues to embrace generative AI, and RunwayML brings strong video and multimodal expertise to the table. Together, they are aiming to make high-quality generative content accessible at professional scale. Next, Alibaba Qwen has released Qwen Code version 0.6.0 with major improvements for developers. This update introduces stronger coding skills, better reasoning, and enhanced support for real-world programming tasks. One of the biggest highlights is improved integration with VS Code, making it easier for developers to use Qwen Code directly inside their editor. The model now handles more complex code generation, refactoring, and debugging scenarios. This puts Qwen Code in closer competition with other leading AI coding assistants. Alibaba continues to invest heavily in open and practical AI tools, especially for enterprise and developer communities. If you are building software and want an AI that understands code structure and intent, this update is worth watching. Finally, Tencent has open-sourced HY Motion 1.0, a powerful text-to-motion model built using a diffusion transformer architecture. This model can generate realistic human motion directly from text descriptions. For example, you can describe an action like walking, jumping, or dancing, and the model produces corresponding motion data. This has huge implications for animation, gaming, virtual reality, and robotics. By open-sourcing the model, Tencent is inviting researchers and creators to build on top of this technology. It also shows how fast generative AI is expanding beyond text and images into full-body movement and behavior. Motion generation is a key building block for digital humans and immersive experiences. That wraps up today's Best AI Updates. If you found this helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more clear and fast AI news every week.